Hi and welcome back to the video. I have completely lost my voice, but because you had said that you wanted a video on VA and RC, I said that yes, it is important for me that even if I'm unwell, let me go ahead and make a video and attempt VA RC again, like the way I have done for Quant and for DILR. My intention is simple. I would want to walk into a CAT exam blind without prep, without earlier this thing की practice की मैंने देखे हुए हैं. Now I'm coming on this thing and I can solve something like this and I'm saying, oh, it is so simple and this question is so simple, it is so easy. No, my intention is to keep it very real and to walk into an exam blind and show you probably what you could do with VA and RC. If you've been liking my videos up till now, I would want you to hit like on this and subscribe to the channel also, because this does not end here. After this, there is going to be a lot more which we will do for what you should do after your CAT, for your MBA admission interviews and for your upskilling. Also, I have a pre-MBA program loved by all of you called How to Be School. Check the link of it in the description below. Without further ado, let me go ahead and start the mock for you. Thank you. Hi and welcome back. From this point onwards, this video is going to be uncut. Before I begin starting the mock, I would want to show you what all things I can see in front of me. So I'll pick the camera over here and I'll just show you around. This is my laptop screen and I don't have anything else over here which I should not be having. I am not able to move the camera completely, but yeah, I hope you get an idea about that. That's that. I'll place the camera back and here it is. Let me check if the framing is right. I think it's all good. Yeah, let me also now start sharing my screen with you. Here is my screen. Here is my CL MBA account. Inside this, I would go over here. I would go inside the mock tests, and you can see that all of the previous year, these things. The papers have been actually uploaded as the mock tests. Now, which of these mock tests should we be appearing for? For that, since I would want to walk into this mock blind, I would use random this thing. So I would go to this sheet and I would select rand between 21 to 24. So we have 2022, which means I will be appearing for CAT 2022. Now let's see that which slot should I be actually appearing for. I would again use rand between, and it will be between 1, 2, 3. And here it is. This is slot number 2. So I will be appearing for CAT of 2022 slot number 2. And I would quickly go to this other tab over here and I'll select CAT 2022 slot number 2. This is the exam and I'll be appearing for VARC, which you can see over here. So we'll begin with VARC CAT 2022 slot number 2022. Let's go back to the screen and I click VARC. Now as soon as I have clicked it, I'm sure you will not be able to yet see what has opened up. I have to go back to my screen share and I have to change what you can see. So I'm just selecting the new screen which has opened up over there. And here it is. I hope you can see this thing which has opened up. I would adjust the size of it so that you can see it properly. Here it is. And I have adjusted the size of it. Yeah, now you can see it, yes. And I will begin the test. Next, you can read the entire instructions. Now, before I start this test, one thing which I must actually inform you. Now, VARC is my strength area. And as you can see, I will not be scribbling anything about this because now in VARC, I need to reach that point wherein I'm solving all questions. My attempt to show you, my attempt is to show you that yes, you need to aim for solving all questions and how you need to be fast in it. Now, because I might also be explaining you a few things, I might get slower. So while I would have attempted some more questions, maybe I would not be able to attempt a lot of questions, but my attempt is going to be fast in it. That's that. I'll go back to my screen again. Here is the screen, and with this I will start the assessment. Here it is. Also, you know my approach. I always start with RCs and I end with VA. My usual structure to this thing attempt is that I give the first half an hour to RCs. That's that. Ready to begin. Here we go. Okay. Now I will not be like that. Okay, that I should start from this RC or not. I start from all the RCs from the first RC thing. Since it is my strength, I have to actually attempt all. I hope you can see the screen. Yes, you can. Octopuses are misfits in their own extended families. They belong to M class C, but they don't look like cousins at all. Other must include sea snails, sea slugs, bear, most are invertebrates, dorsal foot, chefs or arms, and can be as tiny as 1 centimeter largest. Brain size of a walnut, which I see. I am speaking while I read this, but I should not be. But I'm speaking so that you are also completely this thing involved in this. It makes sense for these mollusks to have a reproductive form of higher cognition. They don't covering them pretty much everything on including humans, but manage to secure their own safety cloak. Cephalopods fire from multiple cylinders to achieve this in varying degrees. Species. There are 4 main list. Okay. Chromatophores are organs on their bodies that contain pigment sacs which have red, yellow, and brown pigment with respect to little muscles, meaning muscles arranged in circle. They are conducted by brain when the cellophore wants to change color. The brain carries electric impulses to the nerve, expand, pulling open sacs and whatever. Okay, why these 3 colors? Because these are the colors the light reflects at the depths they live in. The rest is absorbed before it reaches those depths. Okay, well, what about the other colors? Think of second level of skin, that thin stacks of cells these can be. What I'm doing is that as I'm reading fast, I'm just trying to see कि कहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है. तो whenever they ask me something about it, मुझे at least broadly ये मालूम है कि इस जगह पे दिया हुआ है. These can reflect light back at various wavelengths. It is using the same properties that we've seen hologram stickers. Rainbows or puddles of oil. You move your head and you see different color. The sticker isn't doing anything but reflecting like it is your movement that's changing. My voice is funny. This property of holograms is called iridescence, whatever. A section of skin that can be deformed to make texture bumpy. So this was the second one. जहाँ पे 4 मेन कैटलिस्ट थे, इसमें से ये वाला. ओके, तो ये फर्स्ट था, ये यहाँ पे सेकंड था इरिडेंस, ये थर्ड की बात हो रही है. देखो ये जो 4 है इनकी बात हो रही है. ठीक है. Sections can even humans possess them, cannot use them in manners that, for instance, the use of these cells is how an octopus can wrap itself over a rock and appear jagged, or how a squid killed fish can imitate the look of coral leaf. It actually matches the texture, the substrate it chooses. Finally, the leucophores. This is the 4th one which we are talking about now here. According to a paper published in Nature, cuttlefish and octopuses possess an additional type of reflector called leucophore. Their cells that scatter full spectrum light, so they have to appear. It's leucophores will already reflect. Okay, broadly RC में मुझे समझ ये है कि ये 4 चीज़ों का एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में फर्स्ट का है, सेकंड का है, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. तो अब मुझे ब्रॉडली RC का स्ट्रक्चर समझ में आ गया. अब मैं आ सकता हूँ. शायद मुझे सब कुछ समझ नहीं, मुझे शायद सब कुछ कहाँ पे क्या लिखा था वो शायद समझ नहीं है अभी भी, बट ठीक है. Which one of the following statements is not true about the camouflaging ability of cell? Okay, can blend into the color of their surroundings. They can. ये है ना, it makes sense on the protection or covering pretty much field in the cellophores fire multiple varying degrees, 4 main catalyst. ये तो कर सकते हैं, कलर तो चेंज कर सकते हैं. ये ना, organs body contains pigment sacs and yellow. These sacs are networked when the cellophore wants to change color. Which of the following statement is not true? Again, hello, I might have missed this. This is not true. ये मैंने दोबारा पढ़ा तब समझ आया. Means which is false. So cellophores can blend into the color of the surroundings. Yes, they can. Cellophores can take the color of their predator. Not sure about that. Cellophores can change their skin color. Sure, I think this statement and this statement is pretty the same, except for this thing added word. Cellophores can change their texture. टेक्सचर के बारे में कहीं लिखा हुआ था. एक इन 4 में से कोई एक है जो कि चेंज कराता है टेक्सचर. या here it is. Pillar are structures of the skin that can be deformed to make a this thing. Here is the word. तो ये ट्रू है ना, ये होगा इसका आंसर. Because they have never specified that they will change the shade to the shade of their this thing. मतलब कि प्रेडेटर की बात कहीं नहीं हुई है. इनफैक्ट ये कहा गया that they can only have it in these 3, I mean the shades. I will mark this and I'll go ahead. Based on the passage, we can infer that all of the following statements, if true, would weaken द कैमोफ्लेजिंग अडेप्टनेस ऑफ, ठीक है, वुड वीकन, अगर इनमें से कोई भी एक सही होगा उससे ये कैमोफ्लेजिंग अडेप्टनेस जो है वो हो जाएगी वीक. विच स्क्रीन कैन यू सी? ओके, करेक्ट. द हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर एट द डेप्थ एट विच सेल वुड this side renders radial muscle movements. The hydrostatic pressure at which renders radial muscle movement difficult. If true, हाँ, अगर ये ट्रू हो गया तो रेडियल मसल मूवमेंट अगर हो गए तो अपना कलर चेंज कर नहीं पाएंगे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे लिखा है कि मसल, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दीज आर कनेक्टेड टू द ब्रेन बाय नर्व, तो ये भी है. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द वाटर एट द depths, okay, if true would weaken the adaptness except, so this would weaken, तो ये नहीं है हमारा आंसर. मतलब would weaken तो है यहाँ पे सारे, बट एक है which would not weaken, तो this would weaken. The temperature of water at the depths at which cells reside renders transmission of neural signal difficult. Yes, it would weaken, because अगर ये हो गया तो they will not be able to change it. See, सारा खेल यहाँ पे ये एक्सेप्ट कई दफा इसमें हो जाता है इशू. The number of chromatophores in cell is half the number of, उससे फर्क क्या पड़ता है, नंबर्स की तो कहीं कोई बात ही नहीं करी. एनीवेज, लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट्स द कलर्स ग्रीन एट द डेप्थ्स, ये तो एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. Why these colors? I think this is the answer. The simple reason is because quantity की कहीं पे बात नहीं हुई है, एंड बिकॉज ये सब भी ट्रू है. ठीक है, बाय द प्रोसेस, जस्ट बिकॉज बाकी सब सही है, हैज टू बी 3 इज व्हाट आई फील. सी, because my aim is to attempt all, or at least try to attempt all, not actually attempt all, but at least try. So I would not be like, अच्छा यार ये सोच ले दोबारा, नहीं, अभी टाइम नहीं है. Also because it is my strength, तो मैं अच्छा हूँ इसमें, ये भी एक चीज़ है. Based on the passage, in octopus are most dissimilar to, similar नहीं, अलग है. स्क्विड, ये सबके नाम लिखे देखो, जैसे इसका ऑप्शन 2 तो यहाँ पे कहीं लास्ट में लिखा है, ये रहा, पोलर बियर. They are cells that scatter full spectrum light, so they appear white in a similar way that polar. तो इसके साथ है, इसके साथ है सेम. ये वर्ड भी I had read somewhere. कटल फिश भी कहीं लिखा था, कटल फिश भी कहीं पढ़ा है मैंने, अभी मिल नहीं रहा है बट कहीं पढ़ा है मैंने. कटल फिश, कटल फिश, कटल फिश, कटल फिश, कटल फिश, क्यों द स्किन दैट स्टिकर कहाँ गया यार, पढ़ा तो है. Cuttlefish, for instance, the use of these cells in an octopus can wrap, rock, appear jagged, or how a squid. तो squid भी true है, can imitate the look. हाँ, तो ये भी लिखा है, ये भी लिखा है. sea snails कहीं नहीं लिखा है, sea snails कहीं नहीं लिखा है. एक सेकेंड, फटाफट, I will do a quick scan. 32 मिनट्स, मैंने 8 मिनट लगा दिए इसमें. अब मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है वैसे. प्लॉट मेक सेंस प्रोटेक्शन, meaning यहाँ पे नहीं है. I'm just like scanning it for this word. Sea snails, sea snails, sea snails. यहाँ नहीं है, 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 यहाँ नहीं है. Sea snails is the answer. I hope this is the last question. All of the following are reasons for octopuses being misfits except. So which of the following is not a reason? Are consumed by humans and नहीं, ऐसा कहीं लिखा ही नहीं. I think ये are the, I think the answer है. Do not possess an outer protective shell. In fact, but they don't like fruit is the most shell invertebrates. They belong, but they don't because other these cells most are shell invertebrate dorsal arms, which can be tiny as brain size of walnut. कंजम्पशन की तो कोई बात ही नहीं लिखी है. ये है, ये ट्रू है, ये भी ट्रू है. Following are the reasons being misfits because several arms are all arms. Misfits नहीं तो इस वजह से कंजम्पशन की कहीं बात नहीं हुई है. कंजम्पशन इज द आंसर. ठीक है, आई डोंट केयर, आई हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल. This is a new RC. ठीक है, I'll read this RC now. How much time is left? 10 minutes. I'm slow right now. When we teach in engineering problems now, we ask the students to come up with a single best solution. I am an engineer defined by technical ideals like low cost, speed to build able to skill. This way of teaching primes the student to believe that their decision making is purely objective and it is grounded in math and science. This is known as technical social dualism, the idea that technical social dimensions of engineering problems are readily separable, which they are not, by the way, and remain distinct from the problem destination. Non-technical parameters such as access to technology, cultural elements are deemed political and invalid in this way of running. But those technical ideals are at their core social and political choices determined by a dominant culture focused on economic growth for most privileged segment of the society. By choosing to downplay the public welfare as a critical parameter for engineering design, we risk creating a culture of disengagement. Okay, ठीक है. In my field of medical devices, ignoring social dimensions has real consequences. Most FDA-approved drugs are incorrectly dosed for people assigned female at birth. Okay, leading to unexpected adverse reactions because they have been inadequate. Okay, fair. Beyond the physical failing, subjective beliefs treated as facts by those in decision making can encode social inequalities. For example, spirometers routinely used to measure lung capacity still have correction factors that automatically assume lung capacity plaque or issue. Okay, so they assume that these radical based adjustments are derived from research done by whatever who thought that these were biologically determined, who considered non-white, which means the ये दो लोग as inferior. These machines ignore influence of social and environmental factors. Fair. Many technologies of systematically marginalized people have not been built because they were not deemed important, such as better early diagnosis treatment for disease like endometriosis, a disease that affects. हाँ, तो बिकॉज ये कम लोग हैं तो इसका कुछ नहीं लिखा उन्होंने, कोई मतलब है नहीं इलाज. एंड वी हार्डली क्वेश्चन वेदर डिवाइसेस आर बिल्ट सिग्नल वे medical waste and healthcare account 10% of greenhouse gases. Social justice must be met. Go to engineers trend. Some universities are working on this. Engineers taught this week and I think individual engineering professors are also working to embed societal needs in their pedagogy. Darshan activists to challenge engineers to acknowledge their full moral and social responsibility toward practical self-reflection. Okay, Khalid Kadir at the University of Balki created the popular course Engineering Environment Social to engage in place of knowledge and understand of people to design better technological approaches in when we design and build equity in just a week craft better solutions. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, जो भी समझ आया है आप देखते हैं क्या होता है. All of the following are examples of negative outcomes of focusing on technical ideals except एग्जाम्पल्स है मगर ये नहीं है उसका एग्जाम्पल. ओके, नेग्लेक्ट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजीज फॉर डायग्नोसिस ट्रीटमेंट. हाँ ये तो है बिकॉज वी स्पोकन अबाउट दिस. कंटिन्यूइंग कोलैबोरेशन मेडिकल डिवाइसेस बेस्ड ऑन पास्ट रेशियल बायसेस दैट हैव रिमेन अनएडजस्टेड फॉर कंटिन्यू. आई थिंक ये होगा आंसर. आई थिंक सो. एक्सक्लूजन ऑफ नॉन प्रिविलेज्ड ग्रुप्स in clinical trials which leads to incorrect, which are the following are examples of negative. हाँ तो ये भी है example. Incorrect assignment of people as female at birth which is नहीं, तो incorrect assignment की बात नहीं हुई. वो ये कह रहे हैं कि जिनका assignment होता है उनके लिए ये है. ये रहा सी most FDA approved drugs are incorrectly dosed for female. मतलब वो ये कह रहे हैं कि फीमेल्स के लिए सफिशिएंट नहीं, तो ये कहीं लिखा कि इनकरेक्ट असाइनमेंट है. नेगेटिव आउटकम तो यही नहीं, तो आई थिंक ये नहीं है आंसर. कंटिन्यूइंग कैलिब्रेशन ऑफ मेडिकल. हाँ तो अगर उसी पे कर करेक्ट, आई एम सो सॉरी, ये नहीं आंसर. द आंसर हैज टू बी दिस. नेक्स्ट. यार 14 मिनट लग गए. वी कैन फॉर दैट ऑथर वुड अप्रूव मोर इवॉल्व्ड इंजीनियरिंग पेडागोजी दैट इंक्लूड्स द फॉलोइंग. Evolved engineering pedagogy includes the following except what? Making consider abnormalities to increase it. हाँ ये नहीं हो सकता. More responsible approach to technical design problem solving. हाँ ये भी नहीं हो सकता. डिजाइन दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन नीड्स ऑफ कम्युनिटीज यूजिंग लोकल, ये भी नहीं हो सकता. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स टेक्निकल सोशल ड्यूअलिज्म वेयर कम्युनिटी नीड्स आर. हाँ ये है ना, बिकॉज टेक्निकल सोशल दिस थिंग ये जो है वी शुड नॉट मूव फॉर इट. इन फैक्ट इट इज नॉट द राइट वे टू डू इट. सो यहाँ पे लिखा है कि दिस, तो ये है इसका आंसर. In this passage, the author is making the claim that engineering students today are taught to focus on objective technical outcomes independent of social dimensions of their work. हाँ ये है इसका आंसर. The objective of best solutions in engineering are shifted from focus on pedagogy. नहीं ये कहाँ से हो गया? Has emerged as a technique for engineers to incorporate social considerations. नहीं ये wrong है. Engineers today are trained to be non-subjective in their reasoning and is best enables them to. नहीं फर्स्ट ही आंसर है. क्लियर. सी मैंने क्या करा, जो मुझे फर्स्ट आंसर लगा मैंने एटलीस्ट वहां पर डाल दिया एक डॉट सो दैट इट हेल्प्स मी. The author gives all the except reasons for why marginalized people are systematically discriminated against technology except beyond physical feelings, subjective beliefs treated as facts by those in decision can है. हाँ ये कहीं लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. ये वाली लाइन. तो ये ट्रू है आई थिंक. दीज रेडिकली बेस्ड एडजस्टमेंट डेराइव फ्रॉम रिसर्च डन बाय हुज रेडिकल डिफरेंसेस. हाँ ठीक है, ये भी सही है. वी हार्डली क्वेश्चन वेदर डिवाइसेज आर बिल्ट सस्टेनेबली इट इज लेड टू क्राइसिस. ठीक है, ये भी सही है शायद. बट दोज टेक्निकल आइडियल्स are at their core social and political choice driven by dominant culture focused on economic growth for privilege. ये भी सही. एक सेकंड, क्या क्वेश्चन था? The author gives the following reasons for why systematically discriminated, and we hardly question whether devices are built sustainably, which has led to the crisis. ये भी तो सही है ना. Marginalized people ये वाली है ना, afflicts 10% of the people. नहीं, अकाउंटिंग क्या 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 क्या, वेट, ये वाला है. And we hardly question whether devices are built sustainably, which has led to crazy medical waste healthcare. हाँ तो ये है ना, because this is not speaking about the people, this is speaking about the gases, but those technical ideas are the core. So हाँ यही आंसर. ठीक है, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. ये सेम है. अच्छा ये कुछ और है, ये कुछ और है. ओके, इसके अलावा कौन सी आरसी से यार, रुको. ये दिस इज अबाउट म्यूजिक फिलोसफी. यार ये तो मेरा एरिया नहीं है. यही करते हैं. Let's go by sequence. Humans today make music. Think beyond all the okay. What are the questions? ठीक है, छोड़ो. Humans today make music. They think beyond all the qualification. Humans today think beyond all the qualification that might trail after this bold statement. Only certain humans make music. That extensive training is involved, and many societies distinguish music specialists from non-musicians. That in today's societies most listen to music rather than making it. So for these qualifications, whether that local merit are moved in the face of overarching truth and music making, considering from a cognitive and psychological advantage, is the province of. यार कितने मुश्किल वर्ड्स भाई, क्या क्या लिखते. province of all those who perceive experience of what is made. समझ नहीं आया है थोड़ा यहाँ पे मुझे, बट ओके. वी आर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ अस म्यूजिशियंस. एवरीवन हु कैन एंटरटेन, नॉट नेसेसरली डांस अ बीट, हु कैन रिकॉग्नाइज अ रिपीटेड ट्यून, नॉट नेसेसरली सिंग, हु कैन डिस्टिंग्विश. ठीक है, आई विल ऑफन यूज एन एंटीक वर्ड recently reviewed to name this broader musical experience. Humans are musicking creatures. Okay. The set of capabilities that enables musicking is a principal marker of modern humanity. There is nothing polemical in this assertion except a certain instance which will figure often in what follows, that musicking be included in our thinking about fundamental human commonalities. Capacities involved in musicking are many and take shape and complicated, arising from innate dispositions. Most of these capacities overlap with non-musical ones. ठीक है, though a few may be distinct and dedicated musical perception production. In the area of overlap, linguistic capacities seem to be particularly over. कौन सा overlap की बात हो रही है? Arising from most of these capacities overlap with non-musical. तो मतलब कि musical capacities overlap. In this area of overlap, linguistic capacities seem to be particularly important, and humans are in principle language makers in addition to music makers, speaking creatures as well as musicking ones. Humans are symbol makers too. Tightly bound up the language, not so tightly with music. The species dubbed homo, whatever, I don't care, cannot help but tangle musicking in webs of symbolic thought and expression, habitually making it a component of behavioral complexes that form such expressions. But in fundamental features, the musicking is neither language like or not. ठीक है, आऊँगा अगर ज़रूरत होगी तो वापस आऊँगा यहाँ पे. इफ म्यूजिकिंग इज अ प्राइमरी शेयर्ड ट्रेट ऑफ मॉडर्न ह्यूमन. से अभी मुझे हो रहा है फटाफट आरसी वाला खाता, वो लंबी आरसी है. म्यूजिक इज प्राइमरी खत्म ही नहीं हो रही. शेयर्ड ट्रेट ऑफ मॉडर्न ह्यूमंस इंट्रोड्यूस. ओके ठीक है. This took place clear that over a very long dury, at least 50,000 years or more, so likely something closer to 200,000 depending on part. If we look back 20,000 years, a small portion of this long period, we reach the lives of humans whose musical capacities were probably little different from our. तो मतलब 20,000 साल से it was closer. As we look farther back, we reach crisis where the similarity can no longer hold. Perhaps 4,000 years, 40,000, perhaps 30,000, but across line before which all the cognitive capacities recorded modern musicking abruptly disappeared. ठीक है, मतलब वो capacities थी. Unless we embrace the incredible notion of music sprang in full grown glories long period. ठीक है. This is one general feature of history of music's emergence. The history was at once socio-cultural and biological. These capacities recorded music in many so describing. ठीक है, जिसमें अगर ये आ गया ना, that what is the author trying to say, तो मैं गया. Half time is up. Which of the following statements, if true, would weaken the author's claim that humans are musical creatures? Which of the following is true would weaken it? Okay, non-musical capacities are फार ग्रेटर कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ ह्यूमन सर्वाइवल दैन कैपेसिटी ऑफ म्यूजिक। ठीक है, हो सकता है। म्यूजिकल कैपेसिटीज आर प्राइमरी सोशो कल्चरल विच एक्सप्लेन्स द डाइवर्सिटी। नहीं, ये तो उसको स्ट्रेंथन मतलब हो जाएगा। फ्रॉम अ कॉग्निटिव म्यूजिकिंग अराइजेस फ्रॉम अनकॉन्शियस डिस्पोजिशंस वी कॉल म्यूजिकिंग इज नाइदर लैंग्वेज लाइक इट इज मच ओल्डर फ्रॉम। ये भी नहीं है, ये है क्या? फ्रॉम अ कॉग्निटिव एडवांटेज म्यूजिक, ये भी ठीक है। आई थिंक फर्स्ट है, हो सकता है। आई डोंट नो, लेट्स सी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग से बेस्ट सर्व्स एज द कीवर्ड्स टू फंस गया, अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा है, फंस गया, बट ओके। आई डिडंट वांट दिस। फंस गया। ह्यूमंस, म्यूजिकिंग, लिंग्विस्टिक। ह्यूमंस एज सच बात हुई है, आई डोंट नो। ओके, सिंबल नहीं, सिंबल मेकिंग के बारे में कोई बात नहीं, इट इज जस्ट बी स्टेटेड। मॉडर्न ह्यूमैनिटी, ये रहा मॉडर्न ह्यूमैनिटी दोस्तों, ये यहीं पे दिख गया मुझे सामने। Humans' capacities, language, symbols, modernity. Modernity, maybe this is the answer. Humans' psychological vantage. I've read this word somewhere. Psychological vantage. I can't remember it, but yeah, here it is. Psychological vantage. Musicking, Garcia, musicking, cognitive philosophy, antique symbol. Confused. अच्छा, इसमें ऐसा भी है क्या कि जो पहले लिखे हैं दे आर फार मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, बिकॉज देन एज पर दैट इट शुड बी म्यूजिकिंग। बट नहीं, बट आई डोंट थिंक इसमें ऐसा कुछ है। एंटीक, एंटीक के बारे में तो कोई बात ही नहीं हुई। म्यूजिकिंग हैज टू बी देयर, दिस यहाँ पे म्यूजिकिंग है, यहाँ पे म्यूजिकिंग है, यहाँ पे म्यूजिकिंग है, तो ये तो है ही नहीं। ठीक है, ऐसे करते हैं। ह्यूमंस के बारे में कोई बात हुई है? ह्यूमंस के बारे में बात तो हुई है, तो यार ये भी नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज ह्यूमंस के बारे में बात हुई है। तो ह्यूमंस ये है, ह्यूमंस ये है। अब इसमें फ़र्क देख लेते हैं। कारसियर कौन है? कारसियर कौन है भैया? कारसियर ये है। बट इतनी बात हुई है, हुई तो है, मगर सिंबल मेकिंग, इमरजेंस ऑफ म्यूजिक के बारे में हुई है बात। यस यस, ठीक है, आई मार्क 3, आई मूव, आई डोंट केयर। आई डोंट केयर एज इन, इस पे समय का कोई फायदा है नहीं, अब जो है सो है। आई हैव टू रीच अ पॉइंट वेयर आई एम अटेम्प्टिंग ऑल। अगर मैं इसमें रेगुलर डाउट में नहीं, और मैंने अगर इफ आई हैव नॉट दिस थिंग, इफ छोड़ो आगे बात, आगे बात करूंगा। द थिंग बियॉन्ड ऑल द क्वालिफिकेशन दैट माई ट्रेल आफ्टर दिस, ये वाली लाइन, ये फर्स्ट लाइन की बात कर रहे हैं ये। In the context of the passage, what is the author trying to communicate in this quoted extract? Thinking beyond qualifications allows us to give free rein, नहीं? So there might be many caveats. Other, हाँ ये आंसर है ना? एक सेकेंड। A bold statement is one that is trailed by a series of qualifying bold, हाँ ये भी हो सकता है। नहीं, बट ये तो जनरल हो गया। नहीं, ये तो गलत है। इट इज आइदर ऑप्शन 2 या 3। सी, वो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं, उसने पहले एक स्टेटमेंट दे दिया, ह्यूमंस टुडे मेक म्यूजिक, थिंक बियॉन्ड ऑल द क्वालिफिकेशंस दैट माइट ट्रेल आफ्टर। वो कह रहा है कि अभी वो सब मतलब कि छोड़ देते हैं कि वी हैव टू फर्दर मतलब कि क्वालिफाई दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट, बट इन एसेंस दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, इज वॉट आई अंडरस्टैंड। बॉल्ड स्टेटमेंट इज वन दैट इज ट्रेल्ड बाय सीरीज ऑफ क्वालिफाइंग क्लैरिफिकेशन। ये भी ट्रू है, बट दिस इज broad. Although there may be caveats and other considerations, the statement is true. हाँ, तो ट्रू तो है। हाँ ये होगा, ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं। यार 16 मिनट बचे, मुझे 6 मिनट में खत्म करनी है लास्ट आरसी, नहीं होगी, ठीक है, बट देखते हैं। पीस ऑफ द पैसेज व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज वैलिड आर्गुमेंट अबाउट इमर्जेंस ऑफ म्यूजिक 20,000 ईयर्स अगो। यहाँ पे कहीं लिखा हुआ है 20,000 ईयर humans music capacity were not very different from, हाँ ये ट्रू है, ये ट्रू है। although musicking is not language like, it shares quality of being, नहीं, it is language like, why is it not language like? It's not true। based on the passage the following statement is valid, ठीक है, anyone who can perceive music, except music must be considered capable of music, but this is not about emergence। ये ट्रू है, ये भी ट्रू है। all musical work is collocated in overlap between, but ओरिजिन की बात नहीं, एमरजेंस की बात हो रही है ना। हाँ ठीक है, नहीं, बट परसीव मस्ट बी कंसिडर्ड केपेबल ऑफ, परसीव कहीं लिखा है यहाँ पे, परसीव, everyone who can entrain to beat, who can recognize repeated tune, can distinguish level of music, experience music, ऐसा तो entrain ठीक है, experience वेरी डिफरेंट तो नहीं थे, यहाँ पे लिखा है ना long period were probably little different from our very own. Emergence की बात यहाँ हो रही है. ये रहा. This is the answer. Wow. At times it helps. अभी हम कहाँ हैं? अच्छा एक और आरसी है. टाइम कितना 14 मिनट. ठीक है. I'll give it 6 minutes. I don't care. We begin. ये कितनी लंबी आरसी है? ठीक है. Whatever. We begin with the emergence of philosophy of the social sciences as an arena of thought, as a set of social institutions to characterize overlap but are not congruent. Academic disciplines are social institutions. Okay, my view is that institutions are all those social entities that organize action. They link acting individuals into social structures. ठीक है. This is about institutions. There are various kinds of institutions. Hegelian, whatever, and Marxism emphasize universities, family rituals. These are mostly institutions that just grow. Perhaps in some imaginary beginning of time, they spontaneously appeared. In their present incarnations, however, they are very much the product of to mold and plan them. They have family law established and these laws including those government. यार अब attention मेरा timer पे जा रहा है बार बार. With informal ones such as friendships. There are some institutions that come in both formal and informal variants, okay, as well as in mixed ones. Consider the fact that stock exchange and the black market, यहाँ पे मैंने stock exchange पढ़ा था. ये यहाँ पे आंसर है इसका. And black market are both market institutions. One is formal, one is not. Consider further that there are many features of the work of the stock exchange that rely on informal, non-codifiable agreements, not at least on language use. ठीक है. because mixtures are the norm. Mixtures होते हैं हर जगह. ठीक है. From constitution top level bottom we are not standing tinkering institution. ठीक है. It is usual in social thought to treat culture tradition as different form, although alongside institutions. The view taken here is different. Culture and tradition are subsets of institution analytically isolated for explanatory expositions. Some social scientists have taken all institutions, even purely local ones, to entities. Time बचा 13 मिनट. Shit, 3 मिनट है. Most of these differences are differences of emphasis rather than disagreements. कहाँ पे था मैं यार? दोबारा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Some social scientists have taken all institutions, even purely local, to be entities that satisfy. ठीक है. Let us straddle all these versions and present very generally as structures that serve to coordinate actions of individual institutions themselves have no aims or purpose other than those given to them by the actors. ठीक है. Language is the formative institution of social life. So language is also an institution, both formal and wow, formal language is order. छोड़ो, मैं यहाँ पे आ जाता हूँ. एक सेकंड. ये मैंने अभी ये नहीं किया है रीड बिकॉज मेरे सामने आई थिंक एक आंसर है. कंसिडर द फैक्ट दैट स्टॉक एक्सचेंज एंड ब्लैक मार्केट आर बोथ मार्केट इंस्टीट्यूशंस, वन फॉर्मल वन नॉट. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स बेस्ट एक्सप्लेन्स दिस कोट? Market instruments can be formally traded in the stock market, and ये तो fact है, but this is not what they're trying to say. The stock exchange and the black market are both organized to function by rules. है नहीं. Black market examples of how within even the same domain different. हाँ ये इसका आंसर है. गुड है. बहुत डिपेंड नहीं. ठीक है. ये इसका आंसर. ठीक है. जो best replace the essence of the passage. Shit, I hate this. Especially when I have not completely understood the stock exchange, black market, both market. No, it's not about stock market. Come on. It is usual in social thought to treat culture and tradition as different from it. नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है. Language is a fundamental form of. ये इसका आंसर. पक्की बात. Easy one. ये तो बहुत easy है because these are very specific. I think this is the answer. Save it next. कितना टाइम है? 11 मिनट. हो जाएंगे यार. 2 और सवाल है. I can do my VA now. Feeling good. All of the following inferences from the passage are false except मतलब which one is true? False and except मतलब true. As context culture have no analytical explanatory power, especially when the natural language. ये यहाँ पे था. ये last very first to the stage of human language development where no conscious is evident from language. Institution cannot be found in the institution of like ये है. ये तो true है. एक second. Which of the following inferences all of the inferences from the passage are false except कौन सा true है? Cannot be found. ये तो false है. तो false है. While the second institution like the family rituals and are natural cannot be. नहीं ये भी false है. ये भी false है. अब या तो ये है या फिर ये है. As concepts, culture and tradition have no analytical explanatory power, especially when they are treated in isolation. ये भी false. यार यही होगा. एक second. Natural language refers to a stage. अब now see this is the power. मैंने ये अभी तक मैं यहाँ पे भी नहीं गया हूँ बट आई थिंक ये आंसर है. एक सेकंड. स्टेज ऑफ लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस. Natural language are typical examples of what we call the result of human action but not execution. human design and introduce modifications above the first two stages of language where no conscious human. एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज यहाँ पे उसने कहा है कि बस हो गया, इट्स नॉट दैट कि हमने ये करा है प्लान, ठीक है। और इसका आखिर नाउ I should have started my in the first paragraph of the passage. What are the two characterizations that are seen as overlapping but not congruent? Very good. I love these questions. First paragraph. Overlapping but not congruent. हाँ ये था ना. These two characterize overlap but are not congruent. With the beginning of philosophy, social sciences as an arena of thought and as these academic disciplines and social institutions. तो ये आंसर है. Academic discipline and social structure, individuals in the arena of thought ना, ये इसका आंसर है डी, ठीक है। और तो कुछ नहीं है ना, एक सेकंड, सोशल साइंसेस नहीं, यही है, यही है, खत्म। आरसीज डन, आई हैव डन ऑल 4 आरसीज। चैंप लेवल गेम, वेरी गुड। अब उसमें कितना सही है क्या नहीं होगा मुझे नहीं पता। अब 9 मिनट है, करता हूँ आराम से, क्या टेंशन है। ये नहीं करता, पहले रुको, पहले वो कर। हाँ ये यस, आई लाइक दिस। सेंटेंस है, fill in the blanks करने हैं। What is the sentence? Most were first time users of a tablet. Okay. आगे बढ़े, USP lies in the ethnographic customizations based on learning directly from potential are critical to making the self-paced apps suitable for audience. Non-literate audience and literate. Most were first time users. हाँ हो सकता है। The user interface caters to a Hindi speaking audience who have minimal to no experience with digital services and devices. यहाँ पे आएगा ये, most were first time users. Caters to most were but most are नहीं है, most this user। हाँ ये शायद है बट शायद नहीं है, या फिर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें हो रहा हूँ क्या। यहाँ पे अगर मतलब आर होता तो होता, बट ओके। The content and functionality of the app are suitable for wide audience. This includes youth preparing for an independent role in life. This includes youth preparing for independent role in life. The content are suitable for ready to create short term foundation financially. यहाँ पे भी आ सकता है। Improving their family finances to reach their aspirations with pilot in early without। हाँ यहाँ आएगा फोर्थ, वाई बिकॉज इधर भी मुझे ये सेम प्रॉब्लम थी कि यहाँ पे होना चाहिए था आर, बिकॉज दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि ये है। अब यहाँ पे है कि हमने ये करा था, पायलटेड करा था, 400 औरतें थी, मोस्ट वर फर्स्ट टाइम यूजर्स। फोर्थ इज द आंसर, शुड बी। दिस कम्स आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। समरी नहीं, एक और है, कोई फिल इन द ब्लैंक है, और फिल इन द ब्लैंक और है, fill in the blank एक और है, वेरी गुड, ये करते हैं। दिस वॉज ईयर्स इन मेकिंग बट फास्ट ट्रैक ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक व्हेन पीपल स्टार्टेड बीइंग मोर माइंडफुल, were being more mindful about their food. For millennia, ghee has been venerated staple of the subcontinental diet, but it fell out of favor as few decades ago when saturated fats were largely considered to be unhealthy. But more recently, as their thinking around saturated fat is shifting globally, Indians are finding their own way back to this ingredients culture. ही एक्सप्लेन। अब ये ही कौन है, यहाँ तक अभी कोई ही नहीं हुआ इंट्रोड्यूस, बट यहाँ पे हुआ है। फॉर कर्माकर रिन्यूड इंटरेस्ट इन घीज रिटर्न वट एवर मूवमेंट इन इंडिया। थर्ड के बाद क्या, दिस मूवमेंट ऑल्सो पार्ट है कीपिंग मूवमेंट्स नहीं। अब यहाँ पे नाउ दे हैव स्टार्टेड अबाउट समथिंग एल्स। दिस हैज टू बी 3 बिकॉज दिस सेज ही एक्सप्लेन, हैज टू बी कर्माकर, ऑप्शन 3। हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर लेफ्ट, 1 2 3 6 क्वेश्चंस आर लेफ्ट, ठीक है। तो 24 में से 6 मैंने, आई हैव सॉल्व्ड 18 क्वेश्चंस, आई स्टिल हैव टाइम। लेट मी गो टू, या टीटा टाइप में मज़ा नहीं आता, क्या करूँ। ठीक है, ये कर लेता हूँ। 19 This is Parasami. Several of the world's earliest cities were organized along egalitarian lines. In some regions, urban populations governed themselves for centuries without any indication of the temples and palaces that would later emerge. In others, temples and palaces never emerged at all. There is simply no evidence of a class of administrators or any, ठीक है, मतलब they're saying all of them were predominantly egalitarian. It would seem that the mere fact of urban life does not necessarily imply that a particular form of political organization, and never did. Far from designing us to inequality picture that is now emerging, maybe open and otherwise we would have never considered. क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं several yeah, I have to read it again. Urban populations governed themselves for century without any indication. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि अगर वो अर्बन पॉपुलेशन में थी फिर भी वो खुद कर लेते थे. It would seem that mere fact of urban life does not imply any. Okay, very good. We have now evidence in support of existence of an egalitarian urban life in some cities. The politics was far less high. ये है contrary to our assumption. But where is the assumption? Where is the assumption? It would seem the mere fact assumption. ठीक है. The urban channel have been have always involved higher. Have not always involved. Okay, it's not that. Lack of in Asian cities can be reduced by absence of religious and political administration in Asian cities created by not exactly by this ये भी बट हो सकता है. ऑप्शन 3 द इमरजेंस हाउ मच टाइम 4 मिनट्स but of a class of administrator and ruling stratum life of cities to नहीं 3 या 1 है. Lack of hierarchical नहीं it's not क्लास एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स है तो इट्स नॉट जस्ट मतलब कि टेम्पल्स और ये लीगल स्ट्रक्चर्स नहीं है. फर्स्ट होगा इसका आंसर बट आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस वन. ये छोड़ो अब नहीं होगा. 3 मिनट है. आई वॉन्ट टू डू मतलब कि टीटा वाले एटलीस्ट आई शुड मार्क करने को कर भी सकता हूँ बट यार मैं स्लो रहूँगा इसमें. छोड़ो मैं टीटा वाले कुछ मार्क करना चाहता हूँ. छोटा है ये छोटा है ये छोटा है. सी नाउ आई एम सिंग छोटा कौन सा है बिकॉज मतलब मेरे पास अब आई डोंट हैव द टाइम डिसाइड ऑन प्रॉपर सीक्वेंसिंग ऑफ द ऑर्डर. ठीक है. Women may prioritize cooking because they feel they alone are responsible for mediating a toxic unhealthy food system. Food, ठीक है. Food is commonly framed through the lens of individual choice. You can choose to eat healthy. Okay, this is particularly so in neoliberal context where the state has transferred the responsibility of food onto individual customers. तो अब यहाँ से आएगा ये. So 3 and 1 are a pair because individual consumers and so 3 and 1 एक साथ है. The individualized framing of choice appeals to explain agency but draws away from the structural obstacle that food choices. Food is commonly framed through lens of individual choice. Individual choice. The individualized framing. So 2 could be 2. Okay, I should not be so excited. 2, 4. But ठीक है. For all you know, it's wrong. But how much time I have? Food is 3, 1. ठीक है. Because सेंस बन रहा है. एक और करते हैं. एक और ट्राई मारते हैं. ये लंबा है. ये लंबा छोटा लंबा है. ये लंबा ये भी लंबा ही है. ये यार ये पढ़ लेते हैं. ठीक है. क्या है? There's a common idea that museum artworks are somehow timeless objects available to admire for generations to come. But many objects are objects of decay. Even the most venerable old masters don't escape pigments, discolor, varnishes, crack, canvases, warp. The challenging fact of art, 1 minute left, is down to something that sounds more like a thread of mortality rate. Inherent vice. Damon Hirst, the iconic shark floating in a tank, entitled The Possible Death in the Mind of Living is a work. क्या पढ़ रहा हूँ पता नहीं. When he made 99 pickle by not using the right kind of pickle. But it is about preserving of artworks. The result was sharp again dying preserving liquid. ठीक है. Artworks may not last forever. They may deteriorate with time and the challenge is to slow down. ठीक है. कितना टाइम है? I have time. The role of museums has evolved. नहीं, role of museum ensure नहीं, ऐसा कहीं नहीं लिखा है. Museums have to guard timeless art from intrinsic defects such as. Museums have to guard नहीं है. Museums are left with the moral responsibility of. नहीं, म्यूजियम क्या है इसमें? ये कहाँ लिखा है कि म्यूजियम की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? आर्टवर्क्स में ना. ठीक है 1 होगा. नहीं, कितना टाइम है? अब देखो इसके आगे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं सॉल्व. मैंने कितने रह गए? 1 2 3 4. तो मैंने 20 क्वेश्चंस कर लिए. 21 22 24 4 क्वेश्चन. अब एक और कर सकता हूँ. ये 55 सेकंड. ठीक है. म्यूजियम आर्टवर्क है सम टाइमलेस सब्जेक्ट्स. इसमें म्यूजियम के बारे में तो कोई बात ही नहीं हुई. तो इसमें भी ऑप्शन 2 टॉक्स अबाउट म्यूजियम. म्यूजियम्स आर लेफ्ट. हैज टू बी option 1. Save and next. Khatam. I have attempted 21 questions. Now I'll just randomly fill something over here. Time नहीं है. 3 1 2 4. पता नहीं. और क्या है? I have attempted 21 questions. Genuine attempts are 21 and एक और कर दिया मैंने. सो 22 नहीं, ये तो मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं पढ़ने का, इसमें भी कुछ एंटर कर देता हूँ। 2314, ठीक है, रैंडम अटेम्प्ट्स, सेव एंड नेक्स्ट, 10 seconds लेफ्ट। Overall, I have attempted 23 out of 24 questions, out of which 21 are actual attempt. 55, my God! Whoa! Oh, damn. I hope you can see that screen. You can. कितना हुआ यार? 21 इंटू 3 कितना हुआ? 21 आर माई एक्चुअल अटेम्प्ट। 21 इंटू 3 हुआ 62, नहीं 21 इंटू 3 हुआ 63। गलत है भैया, कुछ सवाल तो मेरे रॉन्ग हैं। और अगर मैं 23 को लेके चलूं तो 23 में से तो खैर है ही रॉन्ग। सोल्यूशंस देख लेते हैं। दिस इज नॉट बैड, दिस इज व्हाट आई टेल यू। व्हेन यू सी, वेट होल्ड ऑन, व्हेन यू हैव अ स्ट्रेंथ यू हैव टू किल विद दैट स्ट्रेंथ। तुम्हें चाहिए, अगर तुम्हारा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, ठीक है, तुम कह रहे हो मुझे 99 लेके आना है, 99 के लिए पता है मैं कि 100 नंबर लाने हैं, ठीक है, डिवाइड दोज मार्क्स। मुझे पता है कि अगर मेरी स्ट्रेंथ VA ये वाली है, इफ माई स्ट्रेंथ इज VARC, मुझे पता है मुझे 45 to 55 मार्क्स इतने भी मुझे VARC से निकालने हैं, बिकॉज मेरी क्वांट इतनी वीक है, विच यू हैव सीन इन माई थिंग अदर अटेम्प्ट। इन क्वांट आई स्कोर्ड हाउ मच? आई स्कोर्ड 17 नंबर आए मेरे क्वांट में। अगर मेरे क्वांट में 17 और 20 ही है मेरा स्कोर, अगर तो मेरे 99 या फिर 8 भी, मैं कह रहा हूँ 90 वो भी हटा दो, 98 भी मेरे जिंदगी में नहीं आएंगे, जिंदगी में नहीं आएंगे मेरे, अगर मैंने स्ट्रेंथ से मैक्सिमाइज नहीं करा। ये था वो डिस्प्ले। वापस जाते हैं एक बार, देखते हैं कौन कौन से हुए रॉन्ग। भाई ये रॉन्ग हुआ है, पहले तो देख लो। पहले लेट्स गो टू अदर VA, ठीक है, ये तो मतलब मैंने रैंडमली एंटर करा था, ये मैंने रैंडमली एंटर करा था, तो इसका मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। ये भी मतलब मैंने रैंडमली किया था एंटर, तो इफेक्टिवली मैंने जो एक्चुअल करे हैं अटेम्प्ट विच इज 21 अटेम्प्ट, उसमें से सिर्फ 2 ही हैं आर रॉन्ग। तो माई एक्यूरेसी इज 19/21, एंड दैट इज अ स्ट्रेंथ of how you are strong in VA and RC, that not only your speed is good but also accuracy is good। कौन से वाले हो? क्या ये मैंने नहीं भरा था? नहीं, फिल तो करा है। मेरा आंसर था 1 एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज 2। मेरा आंसर था 1, करेक्ट आंसर 2, ठीक है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है। और एक ये था, मेरा आंसर है 1, करेक्ट आंसर था 3, ठीक है, बट आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस, आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस। अगर इस मॉक में मेरे 99.58 है, ये तो मैं क्या 100 ले आता क्या इसमें? 100 तो नहीं आता, तो 60s में जाते हैं, 100 तो नहीं आते फॉर श्योर। आई शुड नॉट स्पीक सो मच। सी अगेन, द आइडिया बिहाइंड डूइंग दिस ईयर एंटायर एक्सरसाइज इज टू शो यू कि मैं ही वो सेम आदमी हूं जो क्वांट में बर्बाद कर देगा अपना क्वांट में, 17 मार्क्स लेके आऊंगा क्वांट में, बट यही सेम आदमी है, वो आप भी हो सकते हो, जो अपने स्ट्रेंथ में मैक्सिमाइज करना जान सकता है या फिर कर सकता है। माई अटेम्प्ट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो इज टू जस्ट गिव यू अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ हाउ डू यू गो अबाउट इट। I want you to comment on the video. See, I read all comments. I might not be responding to all, but I read all comments and I want to know where my students are. अभी वो किस सोच में है। So I want to know all of that. Let me know in the comments what have you learned from this. Very important for me. Very extremely important for you. The only reason is not just to see this and just go ha 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 very nice attempt. सर ने तो क्या फोड़ दिया VRC में, या फिर अरे सर को तो पॉइंट भी नहीं आती, बकवास है, हटाओ, कोई फायदा नहीं है करने का। Let me know in the comments what you feel about it. Thanks a lot and goodbye.